Hey there, fellow seekers of self-awareness. In a world that's constantly buzzing with distractions, taking a moment to connect with yourself might seem like a luxury. But fear not. Journaling is here to save the day. In this video blog, we're going to dive deep into the art of journaling for self-discovery and explore how it can lead you on a captivating journey to better self-awareness. Section 1. The Magic of Journaling. Imagine your journal as a trusted friend, a confidant, and a mirror reflecting your thoughts. It's not just about jotting down what happened during the day. It's about diving into your inner world, exploring emotions, and gaining insights that might surprise you. Journaling allows you to capture your thoughts and feelings in a tangible form, giving you a chance to revisit them, reflect upon them, and make sense of the intricacies of your mind. Section 2. Getting started. Grab that pen. Don't worry if you're not a wordsmith. Your journal is your personal space, and there's no room for grammar police here. Begin by setting aside a few minutes daily to jot down whatever comes to mind. It could be a recap of your day, a sketch, or even a doodle. The key is consistency. Think of it as a mini ritual where you pause, connect with yourself, and let your thoughts flow freely onto the pages. No judgment, no filters, just you and your thoughts. Section 3. The Power of Prompts. Staring at a blank page can be intimidating. We've all been there. Kickstart your journaling journey with prompts. Ask yourself questions like, what made me smile today? Or, what's been on my mind lately? These prompts nudge your brain to explore deeper layers of your thoughts and emotions. They provide a gentle structure that helps you unravel the complex tapestry of your inner world. Think of prompts as your conversation starters with yourself. Section 4. Embracing the unfiltered you. Remember, your journal isn't a performance. It's a canvas for your authentic self. Don't censor your thoughts. Let them flow freely. Whether you're ecstatic, frustrated, or confused, let those feelings spill onto the pages without judgment. This unfiltered expression is where the true magic of self-discovery happens. It's a safe space where you can be unapologetically you, where every emotion and thought finds its rightful place. Section 5. Tracking patterns and triggers. As you continue journaling, you'll notice patterns emerging. Maybe you're always anxious on Monday mornings, or certain topics make you exceptionally joyful. These patterns hold clues to your emotions and behaviors, helping you better understand yourself. By identifying these patterns, you can make informed choices to enhance your well-being. It's like becoming your own detective, piecing together the puzzle of your inner world. Section 6. Celebrating progress. Flip back through your journal every few weeks. Witness your journey of self-discovery, the hurdles you overcame, the insights you gained. It's like your own success story unfolding before your eyes. And trust me, those aha moments are pure gold. Reflect on the progress you've made, the challenges you've conquered, and the growth you've achieved. It's a reminder that every step, no matter how small, contributes to your overall self-awareness. Section 7. Experiment with different styles. Journaling isn't a one-size-fits-all activity. Try different approaches: gratitude journaling, stream of consciousness writing, or even poetic reflections. Find what resonates with you and keeps your curiosity alive. Your journal, your rules. Each style brings its own flavor to your self-discovery journey. Experimenting with different styles adds variety and excitement to your journaling routine, keeping it engaging and enjoyable. Section 8. Overcoming challenges. Life gets busy, and sometimes journaling takes a backseat. Don't stress about it. Remember, even a few lines count. And if you're facing a mental block, write about that too. Your journaling journey embraces both highs and lows. It's not about perfection or meeting a quota. It's about showing up for yourself, even on those days when your thoughts feel scattered. Embrace the challenges as part of your growth process. Congratulations! You've embarked on a journey of self-discovery that's uniquely yours. Through the simple act of journaling, you've opened the door to improved self-awareness. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. So grab that journal, pour your thoughts onto its pages, and watch as the path to self-awareness unfolds before you. Happy journaling! And there you have it, dear viewers. The world of self-discovery through journaling is waiting for you to explore, and we hope this video has sparked your curiosity and ignited your desire to dive in. Remember, the journey to improved self-awareness starts with that very first entry in your journal. If you're as excited about this journey as we are, don't miss out on any of our upcoming content. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of fellow seekers. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when we release new videos that offer practical tips, inspiring stories, and engaging discussions about emotional intelligence, self-discovery, and personal growth. Your support means the world to us, and together, we can continue to learn, grow, and navigate the paths of self-awareness. So go ahead, click that subscribe button, and let's embark on this journey together. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep journaling and keep discovering.